Today, we're going to supercharge your computer and speed up your laptop by a whopping 200%, all for free. Check startup programs. First, let's tackle those startup programs. Go to your task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, navigate to the Startup tab, and disable any unnecessary programs that launch with your computer. This will give you a faster boot time. Number 2. Disk Cleanup. Now, let's clear out the clutter. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Open the app and select the drive you want to clean, usually C. Check all the boxes and hit OK. It's like giving your laptop a spa day, but for free. Number 3. Uninstall unused programs. Next up, it's time to Marie Kondo your laptop. Head to Settings, go to Apps, and uninstall any programs you no longer use. This not only frees up space, but can also improve overall system performance. Optimize Windows power settings. Don't let your laptop's power settings hold it back. Go to Settings, System, and Power Amp Sleep. Adjust your power settings to high performance for that extra speed boost, especially when you're plugged in. Number 5. Update your drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date is like giving your laptop a tune-up. Head to Device Manager, right-click on each device, and select Update Driver. Make sure everything is running on the latest version for optimal performance. Number 6. Upgrade your RAM. Optional. For those looking to take it to the next level, consider upgrading your RAM. It's like giving your laptop a memory boost. Check your laptop specs and find compatible RAM sticks. It's an investment that pays off in speed, and there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll have your laptop running at top speed in no time, all for free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Until next time, may your laptops be fast and your loading times be short.